Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanu Tutorials. So today in this video we'll see a Python certification lab exercise. It's a level of difficulty is very easy. So using the continue statement. Okay. So what he's saying is we have to use three things. One is the for loop, okay, and the if, elif and else and the continue statement. Okay. So these three things we have to use and the user has to enter a word, then that word is converted into uppercase, okay, using dot upper method. Then we have to eat away any vowels in that word, okay. If you get any vowels like a, e, I, o, u, you have to eat away, and the remaining letters you have to print in a separate line, each letter in a separate line. For example, here Gregory is there input, and expected is G or G or Y, okay, and E and O is eaten away. Okay, similarly, the word with abstemious. Okay, so let's see. So he's given a simple for loop here, and he's saying that prompt the user to enter a word and assign it to the user word variable. Then for letter in user word, we have to write a code here. Okay, so first he's saying that we have to enter a user word, right? So user underscore word equal to input. Okay, enter the word. Okay, then we have to convert user word into the uppercase. Okay, so user word equal to user word dot upper. Okay, then for letter in user word, we have to complete the body of the for loop. Okay, so each letter in the user word, if letter equal to a, okay, continue, right? Elif letter equal to A, E, I, O, U, right? So next letter is E, okay? Then continue, right? So I have to do for all other letters also, vowels, right? So Elif here, A, E, I, O, U, right? This is I, okay? I, O, I, O, U, right? Okay. U here, I, O, U, okay? Then finally, else equal to, if letter is not equal to A, E, I, O, U, then we have to print that letter. Okay, right? This is the code. Let's see. Let's run this code and see the output. So enter the word. So let's select the word given by him. Okay, so again we'll run this. Yeah. So okay, let me run it again. I will enter the code. Okay, I will enter the word here. What is that? G or E, G, G, O or Y. Okay, so like this it will print non-vowels only. All vowels are eaten away. Okay, let's run it again. Let's use some random word. Okay, see this A, U are eaten away. Okay, hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanu Tutorial for more such amazing Python certification videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.